Here is a 1969 Trans Am.
Another car worthy of the $100,000 club. We'll see if we get there.
No, we're already there. 115 if it sells.
Standard engine on the debut year was at 335 horsepower, 400. Ram Air 3 engine. If that horsepower number sounds a little funny, yeah, it was rated 366 horsepower in the GTO, and it's essentially the same engine. 4-speed. You can also see him with an automatic, and we see him with the Ram Air 4 engine occasionally. Blue interior. Could get black, blue, red, white, green, and gold interiors. 6 distinct interior colors.
Yep.
And we've seen every color at a Mecum auction over the years.
Yeah, these had a
including green and gold.
fairly impressive list of options, if I remember correctly, JK. By the way, did they fudge the numbers on the Ram Air 4 between the Firebird and the GTO?
345 to 370, they did the same thing.
That's sneaky people.
Yes.
147.5, and that is going to be the hammer price for that Trans Am.